Looking for a tool that can animate your pictures with incredible precision and deliver stunning HD results? Watch what this tool can do. The results are incredibly clear and natural. You can see the smoothness in every facial movement, realistic expressions, and fluid motion. It brings your images to life with impressive detail and quality. And it's not just about animating pictures. You can also change the expressions in your videos using a reference video, giving you much more control over the final result. You can even create lip-sync videos, and the lip movements are incredibly smooth and natural, making the overall animation look surprisingly realistic. And the best part is, all of this can be done with LivePortrait in impressive HD quality. You can bring images to life, control facial expressions, and create incredibly smooth lip-sync videos with natural-looking movements. In this video, I'll show you how to install LivePortrait and get everything running locally on your computer. If you enjoy AI tools and tutorials like this, make sure to subscribe and click the bell icon to stay updated with the latest videos. So without wasting any more time, let's get started with the installation. Click the GitHub link in my description to visit main page of LivePortrait HD. This user did amazing job creating HD version of it. To install locally, you need at least 6 GB graphic card, CUDA Toolkit 11.8 to 12.8, Python 3.10.11, FFmpeg, Visualstudio, Gitfor Windows. I have made a playlist you can watch and install these dependencies easily. To install on main page, click on Code option and copy Git code. Now go to folder or drive you want to install this in and type cmd in folder path. A new command window will open. Type git clone and paste code you copied to clone this. Type cd space and go to clone folder, copy its path and paste in command window. Now create venv using Python 3.10. Activate venv with activation code. Before installing PyTorch, make sure CUDA Toolkit is properly installed. First, upgrade setup tools. Now copy pip code and paste back in command window to upgrade pip. Now go to main page of PyTorch and copy PyTorch 12.6 code. Paste in command window and add torch audio before installing. After PyTorch installed, go to main folder, open requirements base file. Change CPI version and save requirements base file. Now open Requirements file. Change Scarlett version and remove Torch Audio and Torch Vision. Change UNCS runtime to UNCS runtime GPU with this version. Change Fast API version, then save Requirements file. Now in command window run requirements code to install requirements. After requirements installed, install Gradio client. Now install Pydantic. Now go to main folder and copy models download code and paste in command window. After models downloaded, run main code. When you see local URL, copy and paste in any browser to launch LivePortrait HD. To avoid running codes again in main folder, create new text file. Open this text file and type this code as you see and save as run.bat. Just double-click Run File and use LivePortrait HD anytime. For animating picture, upload a face picture. Upload motion video.
My biggest weaknesses is asking for help when I need it. I'd like to do better at that.
At bottom, click Animate.
My biggest weaknesses is asking for help when I need it. I'd like to do better at that. My biggest weaknesses is asking for help when I need it. I'd like to do better at that.
For video to video, upload video you want to change expression of. Upload video to copy expressions.
我叫做醬爆，我從來沒有放棄成為。
At bottom, click Animate.
我叫做醬爆，我從來沒有放棄成為一個偉大。我叫做醬爆，我從來沒有放棄成為一個偉大。
And that's it for this video. I hope you found this LivePortrait installation tutorial helpful and enjoyed seeing what it can do. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so you don't miss the next AI tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.